welcome to Professor Arwen's homemade science. How are you today, Professor Arwen?
Good.
Having a good day? I like the fact that you've got your PPE on today to keep your face safe. That's good. I've got mine here. Just going to give it a quick clean. Put mine on. Right. Alright? Right, today we are going to do some science. We're going to do some chemistry science, and it's called the
Carbon snake.
That's right, the carbon snake. Now, for the carbon snake, you need 20 grams of sugar and 5 grams of bicarbonate of soda. And what we're going to do is we're going to mix them together and give them a stir. If you could do that. That one into there, please.
No, other way.
That's it. And give it a stir, please. Okay, make sure you're holding that. That's it. I have got some lighter fluid here. Now, this, on the back of this, is some information that says various things. It says, firstly, that it is highly flammable. Secondly, that it is harmful. And thirdly, that it is dangerous to the environment. So we have to be very careful with that. That is why we have got our PPE on, why we've got our glasses on and our lab coats, and why I've got a glove, because I want to keep myself nice and safe, because I'm going to be doing this bit. Because if you're a child, you shouldn't be doing this bit, because we're going to use some lighter fluid. Put that there, darling. We're going to use some lighter fluid, and we're going to use some fire. Right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour this on here.
Can I put that on there? In a minute. Why has it got a picture of fire on it? Because it is fire. But it doesn't light up on the sand. Okay.
Pour that on there then. Make sure you don't touch it, right, nice and slowly.
Now why are you going to put the fire on?
Yep, is that all of it?
Yeah.
No, not quite.
Are you going to put fire on?
Yes, darling. Now let's watch and see what happens. I'm going to stay back because it gets very hot. You see the black bits growing, or making little snakes, little black snakes. Oh, little black snake with red eyes. Now what's happening is that the sugar, oh look, there's a good one at the front there. The sugar is combusting, so the sugar is burning because of the fuel. And then as it combusts, it produces carbon dioxide, which is a gas. And it also produces water vapour, which is hydrogen dioxide. But the water vapour pushes against the carbon dioxide to move it up. But it doesn't push it up quick enough. And before you know it, more carbon dioxide is being produced, but it can't escape. Because it's a gas, it can't escape. So instead of it escaping, it produces solid carbon. And solid carbon grows in this black sort of fluffy stuff that we can see here. Now in the past when I've done this, that's very sensible. Professor Arwen is just peeking a little bit like that so the fire doesn't get on her eyes. Now when I've done this in the past, I've tried it with various different sugars And what I've found is that the best sugar to use is icing sugar. Icing sugar produces the best carbon snakes. This is quite an interesting experiment. Not one that has been brilliantly successful for us in homemade science, but it's good fun. And it involves fire, which is always fun. Still burning. Spread it out, see what happens if we spread it out. So we did it. That is the carbon snake experiment, and like I say, what happens is the heat burns in a fire, burns the sugar, and the sugar heats up the bicarbonate of soda, and the bicarbonate of soda produces carbon dioxide, and some of the carbon dioxide escapes, and some of the carbon dioxide gets trapped and it can't go away, so it starts to build up, and more and more and more and more carbon dioxide builds up on top of each other, and it grows. It also produces water vapour, which is like water gas, like clouds, and that helps push up the carbon, the solid carbon, to make it grow into a snake. Although our snake looks more like a sheep's horn, I think. Do you think? Yeah? Now, you might be wondering what this feels like. Well, it's cold now, so Arwen,
Yeah.
if you want to, I can break that bit off of there, and Arwen can show you what it's like. So, Arwen, what does it feel like?
Fluffy.
It's very fluffy, it's very light, isn't it? It's like a very light sponge, isn't it?
Yeah.
What does it smell like?
Daddy, that bit's still hot.
Is it still hot, that bit? We'll take that bit away then. What does it smell like? Can you smell it?
No.
What does it smell like? Have a sniff. Ooh, give it a sniff. Sniff. What does it smell like?
Nothing.
It smells like nothing. It smells like fire to me. You've got a dirty face now. Right, thank you for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed it. You can give us a like for the video, and you can subscribe to our channel, and we've got more videos that you can watch.
Bingo, bingo.
So, goodbye.
Bye. Guffers I like.
Bye.
Bye.